Now, your 13 First Alert weather forecast.
Well, overall, not too bad out there for today. Temperatures turned out to be well above average, making it back into the 50s when our average highs are in the 30s. But again, much cooler than where we were the first few days of the month. Recall, we were setting those record highs and it was quite warm. But we're not going to be heading that direction right away. But actually, the extended forecast does promise to bring back some of those 60s by next week. Well, for this evening, things are quiet if you're going to be heading out and about. Well, there is a cool breeze out there. Temperatures will be cooling down into the 40s. We will stay dry, and you may have noticed after seeing those clear cobalt blue skies earlier today, we are seeing some clouds now coming in here the last couple of hours. This is out ahead of a cold front, which is farther to the west, and radar is actually picking up on a little bit of precipitation, but none of this is reaching the ground, and I can show you clearly why when we look at our current conditions. Live look at our Phoenix Park Nicolay Bank Skycam. There's the clouds that have now moved in. Southeast wind at 12 miles per hour makes it feel a bit cooler, but notice our dew point. It's only in the teens right now while our air temperature is in the 50s. So relative humidity is very low. That means any precipitation that would try to fall from the sky or from the clouds would just quickly evaporate with such dry air. So no worries about that. Pressure sitting at 30.08 inches. We've got another push of milder air coming in from the south, replacing a little bit of the cooler air from yesterday, the day before, and now we're looking at another pocket of cooler air coming into the northern plains. But this is out ahead of the cold front, and that lies right about here, actually. Colder to the northwest, warmer to the southeast, and that front will slowly work our way through the day tomorrow. So as we look ahead to our temperatures tonight, well, it's not going to be as cold as this morning was. The Eau Claire Airport got down into the lower 20s, I think low 30s with the expected cloud cover for tonight. And then for tomorrow, well, we're going to continue to see some of those milder conditions work back in from the southeast. Mix of clouds and sun should inch up a few more degrees from where we were for today, but also notice the front is making its way closer, and we could tell because it is noticeably colder to the north and west as we go on into our Friday, which will be something we'll be dealing with. There's the front. Right now it does have a little bit of precipitation with it, but we have a big high pressure system. There it is over Lake Superior, that dry easterly flow and southeast winds, and as this moves into this, it is going to just dry up. And as we look ahead here for the next several days, still not able to outline any major weather concerns. So no weather alert days here, at least through about the next week or so. That's how I see it anyways. As we look ahead here for the next 24 to 36 hours, there's the clouds that'll be coming in for tonight and leaving us a bit milder to start off tomorrow morning. These clouds will slowly work through with some sunshine mixed in tomorrow. That front moves away, and then we have another system coming up from the south. That'll promise to bring some showers in our southern counties for Friday. Eau Claire may get a shower or two, and there could be a few wet snowflakes mixing in also on the northern edges. But for us locally in the Chippewa Valley, again, not expecting much from that, just a slight chance of a little bit of rain. Our southern counties could get a bit more, and then the weekend brightens up, and boy, spring really kicks in again.
Yeah.
The first part of next week, there's those 60s making a comeback.
And we get some extra sunshine next week.
We do. Sunset will be after 7 o'clock on Sunday.
All right. Thanks, Darren.
Yeah.
Our entertainment report is coming up next.